Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Huesman and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I pack in my weekender for a weekend at my parents' river house, and I'll also be doing a quick review of the Paravel Weekender bag. So if you want to keep watching, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out as a small creator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday and Thursday. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'll first talk about this bag just very quickly, but I'll do a more in-depth review at the end. This is the Paravel Weekender, and I really like it because it has these straps for your luggage, and I love the design, I love the color. The only thing about it is very, very small. It's the same size as my Louis Vuitton, so it's not the biggest. This has these gorgeous leather details with the gold Paravel stamp and the gold top, as well as a removable crossbody strap. I'm just gonna be showing you as I pull things out what's in here and then repack it because I'm leaving in like 30 minutes. So first I have this Elizabeth Arden makeup case, and I won't go through exactly what I have because I've already done a everyday glowing makeup tutorial. So I'll link that down below so I'm not just repeating myself. But this is my makeup bag and it just contains full size or minis of everything that I use for my everyday makeup. Next up, I just have my bathing suits in this packing cube. You'll see that I love packing cubes for keeping everything organized. It is just this Lily Pulitzer one piece, which I love for the river because there's so many activities and I don't want to have to worry about my two-piece falling off, and I just really like it. I haven't worn this one yet. You'll see the tags are still attached, but it's the end of the season. I haven't worn it yet, so I'm trying to push myself to wear it. And then I also have this white cover-up from Aka. I really like this because it's breezy, but if it gets a little cold, that's actually why I'm wearing the button up today. I like to use it as an extra cover up. It just throws over a bathing suit so nicely and you look so chic. So I'll repack this later. Next up are just my underwear, some bras, and lots of cozy socks because at night I love putting on a pair of cozy socks after a nice warm shower after you've been in the water all day. I just think it's the best feeling in the world, and I make sure to pack at least two for just a weekend. Next, I have my Dogne Dover cord case. I'll also link a video down below of how I pack my larger one, but this is the smaller version, and I use it to bring my AirPods, my iPhone cord, and my Mac laptop charger. And it just fits so nicely, and it's just so cute, so organized. Next, I just have a hat. I think shielding your face from the sun is so important. I'll say it later with sunscreen, but you really have to protect your skin, and any outdoors activity can lead to harmful UV rays that can cause wrinkles, premature aging, but most importantly, skin cancer. And as someone who has had skin cancer, I am a huge proponent of skin protection. So I always bring a hat with me. I normally always wear a hat if I'm outside, honestly. Next up are the clothes that I packed for this weekend. Because it's my family's place, I don't pack the nicest things I have. I normally just try and pack really small because this bag is tiny. So I just have a pair of denim cutoffs, a white tank top, and then this purple Free People dress that you've probably seen a million times. And another reason that I like this setup is because what I'm wearing today can pair with any of the outfits, and I know that it's gonna be a cute look. Next, I just bring a bag for my dirty or wet laundry. This one says Dirt Bag. It's from a brand called Baze, which I do a lot of reviews on my channel. So I'll go ahead and link one down below. This is from their luggage collection, and I just like it because it's a very good catch-all bag, and I think it's cute. The last thing in the big pocket is my cosmetics case. This is my Dot bag from Forest Bound. I love it because it's like this little canvas wax seal, and inside, oh gosh. So I have my Philips Sonicare Toothbrush. I talked about this in my August favorites. I really like it, and I love the travel case. It's so easy to throw in. I have just my glasses and my contacts, some makeup remover, more makeup remover, sunscreen. It's so important. This one is the Dear Klairs Soft Airy UV Essence. I make sure to keep sunscreen at my parents' river house all year round, but this is specifically for my face. I just have toothpaste. I don't plan on washing my hair while I'm there, but you never know with the river and getting wet. So I brought these tiny little Blonde Ale brightening shampoos and conditioners from Dry Bar, and they have body wash there. It's just like if I want specific toiletries, I have to bring them. Then I just have my Elizabeth Arden moisturizer, a razor, and then this very cute tiny pouch, and I'll show you what's inside. I just use this to keep all the odds and ends that would otherwise just float through my bag. So I have the cutest Youth to the People cleanser I have ever seen. I got this as a trial size from Sephora, and I've been waiting to use it because it's so tiny. An extra slip hair tie, some Flower Bomb by Victor and Rolf. I got this in an Allure Beauty box. Some Elizabeth Mini 8 Arden Hour Cream. These pods from Elizabeth Arden that I use for my serums, and they're really nice for travel because you don't have to bring the whole thing. You just pop a couple in your bag. And then a Midnight Blue Calming Cream that I got in a sample with my Dear Claire's, and it's supposed to be good for after sun care. So I thought this would be a fun thing to pack, and it was a little sample that fit. And then a reusable cotton pad for my eye makeup remover. That is everything, and it fits, it's so cute and little. Next up, there are 2 small pockets on either side of the bag, and I'll just show you what I keep in there. I have my Elizabeth Arden 8 Hour Hand Cream. As we're getting into fall, my cuticles and like the skin around my nails is starting to get really dry. So I really like to pop this on before bed, and I just wake up with really soft hands. I also have this very, very cute rose gold Sephora pill case, and my friend Ellie actually got this for me. I just think it's so cute. I take medication every morning and every night, so this is really nice to keep it all organized for the trip. Then lastly is my Pure Silk Sleepy Mask. This is from Slip Silk, and the rooms there are very bright. I sometimes share a room with my little sister who wakes up very early, so I really, really like this for just making sure the light is blocked out and it doesn't crease your hair, it doesn't wrinkle your skin. I love Slip products. So that is everything that I keep inside my Paravel Weekender. And now I'll talk about the review. I have had this maybe a day, so not very long. I don't have a lot of use in it. But the one biggest con about it is that it is so much smaller than the pictures, so much smaller than I thought it would be. They do put dimensions on the site, so I probably should have gotten a tape measure out and ruler exactly how big it would be. But I can't fit really anything except for what I showed you. I can't fit any extra pair of shoes. I can't fit my workout clothes. I honestly, like I said before, I think it's the same size really as my Neverfull, and obviously I would much rather have this bag. So for a weekender, I think it is very much on the small side. I do worry about this canvas getting marked because you wouldn't be able to wipe it away. And for the price point, I just don't think it's worth it. So I don't recommend this bag. I actually think I might return it after trying to pack it this morning just because there just isn't enough room for a weekend. For an overnight, maybe. But for a weekend, no. And I've seen bigger personal items for planes that fit over the handles. So no, I don't. Until they come out with a bigger size, I don't recommend this bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name's Nicole Huesman. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out as a small creator. Hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video, so Mondays and Thursdays. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.